Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.